Good morning, class. How are you today? I'm glad to hear that you are all fine and okay today. I am Alma Albernardo, and I am your physical education teacher. Today, I will going to discuss to you the introduction to team sports. And at the end of the lessons, you are expected to describe the nature and background of sports. But before we proceed to our lessons, think at least 3 team games or sports you have played. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Some of you might answer or might play swimming, badminton, volleyball, soccer, softball, or basketball. And all your answers are correct. Are you familiar with this man? Is he famous? Have you seen him in TV? Yes, very good. He is the famous King James, or what do we call LeBron James. He is the player of LA Lakers. How about this young man? Yes, very good. He is Kiefer Rabena from the Philippines. And he is a player of PBA. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Next is equipments. Those equipments are used in what sports? Yes, very good. Those equipments are used in basketball. So, I know that you have an idea what will be our lessons for today. Yes, very good. Our lesson for today is all about basketball. So this time, I will discuss the nature and background of basketball. So what is the definition of basketball? First, basketball is the world's most well-liked team sports. The second one, the target is to shoot a ball through a basket horizontally positioned to earn points while following of rules. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Next one is basketball is played with 2 teams of 5 players played on a marked rectangular court with a basket at each win. And as I said a while ago, basketball court has 18 inches in diameter and 10 feet high. Any question? Yes, very good. So, we knew or we understand the definitions of basketballs. But what do you think the history of basketball? The basketball what was invented by James Naismith, a Canadian clergyman, educator, and physician in December 1891. By 1897 to 1898, teams of 5 became standard because before 1897, the members in basketball who are playing inside the court is 9. The total number of players in the court is 9. But now, the standard is 5. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Did you know that National Basketball Associations, or NBA, was created by 2 subsequent professional leagues, which are National Basketball League and Basketball Associations of America in the year 1949. So next, these are the famous basketball players for each generation. And the first one is Bill Russell of Boston Celtics. Bill Russell dominated the NBA from the late 1950s through 1960s. Are you familiar with him? No? Yes, me too. The next one is Kareem Abdul-Jabbar of Los Angeles Lakers. Kareem is a center. Came to prominence during the 1970s. And Kareem is famous for a skyhook shot. The last one is Michael Jordan of Chicago Bulls. Are you familiar with him? Yes. Michael Jordan rose to stardom and helped the Bulls dominate the NBA during the early 1990s. Those are the famous basketball players in their generations. So now, let's move on to mechanics and rules in basketball. The first one is teams and positions. These are the positions in basketball: point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, and center. What do you think LeBron James' positions in LA Lakers? Is he the center? The point guard? Yes, you are correct. LeBron James' positions in LA Lakers is small forward and shooting guard. How about Stephen Curry, who is a player of Golden State Warriors? What do you think it's his positions? Yes, you are right. Stephen Curry's position is point guard and shooting guard. Any questions about positions and teams? Yes. Then now, the second mechanics is regulation, length, and shot clock. Each quarter lasts for 8 minutes and overtime lasts for 4 minutes in high school basketball. Any question? The third one is court dimension. As I said a while ago, that basketball court is 94 feet long and 50 feet wide, and the free throw line is 15 feet away from the basket. Is it clear? Okay. The next one is false. False has two types. And the first one is personal false. Personal false occur when defenders make illegal contact with their opponents. Is it clear? Yes, very good. And the next type of false is technical false. What is technical false? It is generally occur when a player behaves with unsportsmanlike conduct. For example, the player said bad words or curse another player. That is one example of technical false. Next is scoring. Scoring has two types. The first one is 2 points. The player gets 2 points if the basket made in front of the 3-point line, while the other one is 3 points. Baskets from behind this line. For example, the player shoot a ball and he is from behind the 3-point line, so he will get, or he will point at 3 points in questions. Thank you. Next is dribbling mechanics. What is dribbling mechanics? It's keeping the ball low and close to your body in order to make it as difficult as possible for the defender to steal the ball. Is it clear? Yes, very good. And the last mechanics is the shooting mechanics. What is the shooting mechanics? To properly shoot a basketball, have your feet shoulder width apart and pointing directly toward the basket. Any questions? Yes, very good. So, those are the lessons I will discuss for today. So now, I will ask you what you have learned from our lesson for today. The first questions, or the first thing you will do is give 3 things, or write 3 things that you learned from the lessons. The next one, 2 things that you liked from the lessons. The last one question you still want to ask, either for me or either for your classmates. Your answers will be written in a long pad and submit it online. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as I always said, be positive but stay negative from COVID-19. Thank you.